Hey everybody, what is going on? It is DJ, and today we are opening up an iPhone 17 Pro Max. So just to quickly tell you guys, so I did skip over the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we decided to get this lovely silver 17 Pro Max. This is the 1 terabyte model. And the case overall looks pretty nice in comparison to the 15 Pro Max case. It seems to be about the same size except for on the top portion. It does seem to be a little bit bigger, the 17 Pro Max, in terms of length. But the 17 Pro Max definitely sticks out a little bit more in terms of likeness, I would say. It definitely looks a lot cleaner. You can actually at least see the back of the phone, which looks a little bit more appealing compared to the screen that we typically get showing up. Get the lovely strips out of here. So you're gonna notice that I use one hand majority. It's because I am using my 15 Pro Max and it's not quite stable on the table, but here you have the lovely silver, and I like the offset a little bit. It is pretty cool. I'm gonna drop everything out of here, and no one really reads these. I don't know why they still include them, but the same charger as the 15 Pro Max. I'm assuming the 16 Pro Max got the same charger. It's got that weird texture to it. I don't know what it's actually called, but I never actually used mine from my 15 Pro Max. I had a better cable that I was using. All of our different symbols. That's where I think the antenna, something like that, is there. And then we have the camera button, which I did not have a chance to use, so this is going to be fun. This will be my first time using that, as I once again skipped the 16 Pro Max, so I of course didn't have that. The phone itself feels pretty nice, especially on the back. The round edges are pretty nice. Now I am not gonna take that screen cover off yet because I have currently a privacy screen. Now I got this off of Amazon. I actually ordered it the day before my phone was even shipped, and it came in right on time. So this screen, I haven't ordered from this company off of Amazon, but it should work nonetheless. So we're gonna give it a whirl and see how easy it actually goes on. So the weird long strips here, a little interesting. I'm not used to that, but we will see how the screen looks. Not seeing too much privacy when I pull it out there, but we'll see when we put it on there. So going through, we have the camera cover, complete cover. It covers everything on the back, which is really nice. We got a few of them, so it's gonna be interesting. Hopefully I can get it on the first try. Hopefully. Don't usually work well for me, but we'll just have to see how that goes. We got a couple of them. 3 of them, from the looks of it, are lovely wet wipes, which I'm gonna actually try to avoid, because my goal is to remove the screen protector that the phone came with, and then just slap this on immediately. So we will see how that ends up. Alrighty guys, so we are back. I did have to go back to work, so I had to cut and resume. But while I was there, I managed to kind of let my phone sit there on the desk and you know, charge up, because before you use it, you're supposed to charge it to full, from my understanding. So you can see it is now on. The privacy screen is on, so we got the normal screen here. All right, and then as we slowly turn, you see that it goes away. Not so much on the up and down, but the side to side. I do wish that they made it to where it was the opposites, but the screen is on nonetheless. And then on the back, we do have the glass going over the camera lenses and everything. It is a little, you can see that there's like it's not residue or anything, it's not dirt, it's just the stick isn't fully sticking around this center camera, if you want to call it that. So it's kind of making it look a little off, but when you're out in the sun, you can't really tell. You probably see my other camera here. I'm using a 15 Pro Max to record this video, by the way. What's gonna happen now is I'm going to hook it up to the Wi-Fi, because currently we got the lovely SOS, and I'm gonna transfer everything from the, well, current phone that I'm using. So I real quick did skip the 16 Pro Max model. Therefore, I am not familiar with using the, what is this called? Is it called the action button, or is this one called the action button? I don't even remember anymore. Hey guys, what is going on? We are back. You're gonna probably notice during the quick transition that the quality may be a little different, because I completely reset my older phone, and it you know, so my settings aren't the same. But I wanted to do a quick update included in this current video, kind of showing you know, we had shown the unboxing and all that fun jazz. And then of course the case. So the case I kind of got on Amazon, but the case itself didn't come with a clip or anything. Very basic case, MagSafe, which I don't typically use, but I'm thinking about getting something for my car. Either way, I mean, it doesn't feel that bad, especially the buttons. The buttons, I think, have the best feel to them with this case. I don't really like that this kind of hangs out, but either way, it's on there, and it does actually work with my old, or one of my old, I should say, belt clips. It's kind of loose slightly, but it still works. It kind of holds it in there. I did a little running up the stairs test, and it held on pretty well. And this is kind of just what it is, just so you guys are aware. I wanted to do another portion in this video where I talk about my battery. So I have had this phone. When you see the whole video here, you're gonna notice that I had the unboxing, and then we skipped to this portion. So overall, the beginning portion of this video is the unboxing when I got the phone on Friday, which was September 19th, the official release day, that I had gotten the phone. And I fully charged it before I did anything to it. And since Friday now, at about this time-ish, I have had this thing. It's been at 100% there, and then it finally, after, what is it now? Friday into Saturday into Sunday, so it's been about 2 days, and it's at 7%. That's being connected to the Wi-Fi, my Bluetooth on in my car. I went ahead and downloaded all of my apps. I downloaded all my music, any of the movies, actually 2 of them. One of them was Venom, and the other one Pacific Rim. So I downloaded those, set up all of my accounts on my streaming platforms, and you know, downloaded all my iCloud photos.
all that fun stuff, and actually did all my updates for my, my Dokkan files, my Call of Duty mobile files, which was a ridiculous one, by the way. All of that on the same charge. I have yet to plug this phone back in, so I am very impressed with how it's held up so far. Hasn't really gotten too warm, except for when I was downloading the Call of Duty files, because I had the game. It was running. The game itself was running, and I played a couple of matches yesterday while some of the files did finish. I let some of the maps download, so I had more to choose from. And then I played a couple matches today, Sunday, and it got a little warm there, but it didn't last very long, and it's still at a nice 7%. Yeah, so I just wanted to do a quick little update addition to the current video. It's a pretty lengthy video, I know. Battery health is normal, and I'm just going to show you guys real quick. Has yet to have a single cycle. I have yet to officially charge this thing back up from my first charge. So from 100% so far, it is at 7%. Even during this video, throughout this whole video, it's at 7. Battery health still normal. It's only been a couple days. And I'm actually surprised at the manufacture date, because it was manufactured months in advance. I am surprised, especially because there's still apparently a shortage. That may be just for the orange, but and I do have the silver. But yeah, so overall I am very impressed with the fact that it's lasting quite a while after all the use, all the downloads, being on all the time, even throughout my stream. So I said it was going to be quick. Definitely not quick, but I wanted to show the case that I had gotten, screen protector working, the battery is holding up pretty nicely. Anyways, I will also put the links to the case and the screen protector that I had gotten. One thing to point out is the protection case that I did get for the phone did come with its own cover, you should say, or glass protector, whatever, and it did come with a privacy screen in it.